How to add audio to an existing Instagram post after publishing. This tutorial shows you how to add music to any of your already published posts on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, find the post you want to add audio to and tap on it to open it. At this point, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post to open the Options menu. In the next step, tap on Edit to open the post editor. Following this, you'll see a few editing options, the caption field, an option to add collaborators at the top, and a location option below that. Once done, scroll down and tap on Add Audio at the bottom to open the music selection screen. From here, browse through the available tracks or use the search bar to find a specific song you want to add. At this stage, tap on the song you want to select it. After this, tap the next arrow to move forward and you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose which part of the song you want to play on your post. Once completed, drag the slider to select your preferred section of the track. Finally, tap the check mark at the top right to confirm your audio selection, and then tap the check mark again to save and update your post with the new music. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you add audio to your existing posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.